Hey peeps,
Hello, humans.
I got a
Hole in the camera. Like a giant hole in the camera.
yeah, I have to fix it. Some of my recent videos I just dealt with it and it had a little bit of glare, and depending on where the light was in the room.
Poopy. Awkward to crouch like this.
Oh, try just leaning on the edge of the bed. See if we can see you good then.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I can still hear it too. At least what it says anyway. I'm just talking louder so you can actually hear it or something.
Yeah, he's watching the peaks of my OBS, and when he talks that loud, he's the same level as me.
Yeah. We need to do that a lot.
Because I have my lab mic, my power device, hooked straight into my computer.
Okay,
using the adapter that comes with the power device. I spent $2 on a lens. Can you get that package right there on the shelf by my red headphone container? Up. Yeah, right next to that is the package. Yep.
This does not look like a package, but it's
Totally is. I'm covering my address because you guys are trying to hack my stuff. Stop that. What are you trying to hack my stuff for?
Because I'm a son of a nutcracker.
Make me stop making videos for you or something? And this is all that comes in the package. That little bit of things.
Just almost nothing at all.
Almost nothing. It looks like it'll be super easy to do. And I've got my iFixit kit. iFixit kit right here.
Oh,
you know what? I'll probably just flip this in post.
Okay, human.
My screwdriver's not in there.
Oh, man.
What was the last thing I used this on?
I don't know.
Oh, I was taking things off the back of my computer. Oh, Charlie, check it out. So first, I'm going to get all the new pieces and lay them out and compare them.
That is plastic.
So it looks like I thought I was going to have to take this whole back of the phone off. I am going to, for safety reasons, take the battery out.
Obviously.
And that's 1, 2, 3 pieces. I can't use this. I can use my
otherly shopping device. Oi, sounds hurt.
Shh. Let me concentrate. Alright, so let's see here. It's starting to come up, but you don't want to snap it because then it might snap something else.
And you'll have to make
more
villager noises.
I'll have to make what?
More villager noises.
There's a trash bag I keep back over there. Can you get that?
Okay, I'll get the lead trash.
Maybe you guys can see this. This comes up, but the glass stays down.
So it doesn't die.
And there's no glass in this thing.
Oh man.
Or maybe this is the glass.
Who knows? I don't know. You don't know. And he doesn't know. You may know.
So I'm going to put the old one above the new one. Come here, watch. So I got one layer off, right? Now I have all these bits of glass in there. There's my camera in there. I don't want to mess with that.
You don't want to make the camera die.
Here. Throw this glass away when I hand it to you. It's sticky. Because it's a sticker.
Because it's not glass that cuts you.
It is. So be super careful.
Is there any glass that doesn't cut you?
No, not that I know of.
Reminder, kids, don't try this at home. Because your camera's probably not slapped in half. And don't squeeze it or you'll die. At least your hand will.
I got some glue that's not coming up.
Oh man.
Shake off the loose bits.
Garbage.
Those are unwanted bits.
Randoms.
What I'm doing is getting this brand new X-Acto knife blade underneath the glue and lifting the glue, not the glass.
So the glass doesn't explode everywhere.
And I'm being very careful that I don't pull on it really hard at a crazy angle, because then the glass will turn around and cut you.
And do it X-Acto blade. Not going to be that bad, but we'll stab you.
That's just glue.
In the nutcracker. Oh, God, no. That would feel so bad. Each slice with that in the nutcrackers would be bad. So don't do it. Okay?
By the way, peeps, this is my main camera for filming, except for when I'm using webcams. And I dropped it because I put it in my gimbal, and I was trying to film working on testing different graphics cards.
And it died.
And I set it on my Yamaha my piano keyboard, which is not an even surface, so it's a bad idea. So it couldn't balance. The gimbal was on, couldn't balance my phone. It went brrr, and because it makes a brrr sound when it can't balance. Anyway, yeah, I went hit on the floor, and the lens.
Insert default sound effect.
The lens hit one of my guitar pedals.
Dude. Oh, is that why it exploded?
Yep.
And not the guitar pedal?
I kept filming with it for like 2 weeks, though.
Oh, man. Man.
Here's a piece.
Yeah.
Now I need a Q-tip and rubbing alcohol.
So it doesn't get infected with blank.
No, it's so you clean it, you silly person. We got to get the old glue off. Now, I am resisting the urge to brush this off with my hands.
That's stupid.
Because that's a stupid idea. Here's an old Q-tip. I might be able to use this right now.
That is ancient and stuff and died in them because I got stabbed with a few things.
Victory fanfare. And now this one's going out of focus. Now we're going to get the alcohol. So this is a big rubbing alcohol I got from Kroger like 2 years ago.
It's old and big.
I get a big one because I'm always fixing stuff all the time. And this
Fix it.
is a little like sauce container that comes like in one of those thingamabobs for packing your lunch. And I take this and I
tasty things.
Pour some in there.
Pour some randoms in it, aka rubbing alcohol, so we can clean the camera up for no reason at all.
Can you get me a dry Q-tip?
Okay, human, it's pretty close.
So now I'm looking for any more bits of glue, and I'm not scraping the plastic at all because I don't want to add additional texture to the plastic beyond what the manufacturer did. It's just glue, and when I rub my fingers on this, I'm rubbing away from the blade, not just in that direction, pointing that way, but I'm also like a diagonal rubbing that direction, so there's no way it can cut me.
You only have like 6 cotton swabs left.
Well, I better write that on the grocery list.
Seriously, human? You can't see my head.
Robots do not require hearing canal maintenance. Hearing canal maintenance.
What? You mean ear canal?
So I got that all cleaned up. Let's see if we can get some focus on that. Yeah, we can. Look how, now you guys can see how that is all cleaned up.
Let me see the material. Yeah, that looks very normal. It doesn't look destroyed and garbage.
No.
It's probably not.
Now I'm going to use the dry one.
Is it smeared around or something?
No, the dry off the alcohol, you silly. I wonder
Dang.
what kind of British. I was about to say you silly git. I don't know what a git is. It's a British term because we were just watching Red Dwarf. Define git. And it says unpleasant or contemptible. Charlie's not unpleasant, and I do not have contempt for him, so I won't call him a git.
What do you get out of this? I'm not a git. I'm not unpleasant.
There's a tiny bit of glue over here in this corner thing, and that's going to make that cover, that piece, not go down all the way.
If I wasn't weird sometimes, I would probably have like an abusive dad or something.
So you say I'm not abusive, what am I?
A normal person.
I'm a normal person.
You're better than most dads, I gotta say that. At least I think. You're getting entertained by my voice when he's doing somewhat boring things, so you get more entertained.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing it while he's here.
While
Otherwise, I would just fast forward through this part. So I got that even more cleaner than before.
Times 2. I'm not going to do it again because it's weird things.
Now, obviously, the glass goes down first, but I'm seeing these two pieces. I'm assuming this piece is the glue. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna go to YouTube. He's got that sticker thing I have. We're gonna find out where that sticker thing goes.
And weird gloves.
They're called finger cots.
So you have tweezer?
Yeah, I just got some ready.
Oh. I fix a lot of randoms. I'm going to take over for 5 seconds. Inspect the thing. Except you can't see it. Interesting. Thanks. I don't know what it was.
So this thing has layers I have to take off, and I don't want to get my skin oils on it.
Because humans have a lot of oils on them, obviously.
Yeah. I need more light. Can you grab here? You point the flashlight at what I'm doing, so I can see better.
I have multiple flashlights I found.
I just need one right now.
Yeah, you don't need Adobe Flash.
Please hold it still. Yeah, it's not a sticker. Ripped it apart.
Dang it, Bobby.
What is this stupid thing?
Try and put it together.
I'm smashing it back together like you said. Lay it down to try to get a point. What is the point of you, you know?
What is the point of you-yos? Oh, we wasted like 5 minutes on that for no reason.
Well, the thing I took out of there was sticky, you know?
Yeah.
This doesn't feel sticky at all.
Maybe we can just place it.
Oh, I could figure out which way is up now because there's a shiny side and there's a dull side. And the actual glass is on the top side, not the bottom. That's the bottom side where it's dull. And if I put that there, it just sits there and there's nothing sticky to hold it. Can't believe it came with a piece of paper instead of a sticker. This has got a little bit of stickiness on it.
So it actually stays. Probably.
They don't even have the little tab for you to yank it out if it was a total fail and you had to replace it again. It's not going to stop me. So I'm using this thing, which comes in the iFixit kit.
Or my thing is focusing currently. Do you need the flashlight right now?
Yeah, it's helping a little bit.
Just a tiny.
Let's put the battery back in.
Maybe that wasn't as much of a fail as you thought. Oh, that's... Is that the garbage one? Looks like it.
Mr. Yawn Face Guy. It's one of your many nicknames. Like when we're trying to shoot videos and you're just like,
And also Charlie Monster.
and also
Because
Charlie
sometimes
Monster.
we stay up late and record videos kind of late.
Alright, get the trash can so we can throw away this garbage.
Trash.
This is the sticker.
Dang
Dang it, Barbie.
if it's good still, we just
I'm putting that in there.
Oh, that was easy.
Stay down. Stop sticking to every little thing that touches you. Fall off of my finger, fall off of the thing.
No.
Thank you.
The sun is a dead. What?
The sun is a deadly what?
Laser. In the past, it was.
So this horrible bit of nonsense.
A horrible bit of nonsense.
Is the sticker inside of a team.
Sad face noises.
Activate!
Dang it, Bobby.
So, go back to this thing, and I'm going to hold it down. Go away.
No.
Go away.
No.
No, I'm cutting off the things that are not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be a certain shape, and it's not. So I'm cutting the edges off. And I'm cutting slits in my table, and that makes me sad.
Sad face noises activate.
Any excuse to get Charlie to say sad face noises activate.
Are you strong?
Oh, the plastic thingy came off.
That's the
It came off all in a piece by its own self. See it, guys? It came off. He loves a Final Fantasy Victory fanfare. Can you guys tell?
I haven't actually played the game before, but I know the things from it. Kind of.
Alright, so I'm going to use the tweezers to put this sticky bit down in there.
Okay.
Get in your spot. Don't stick to the tweezers, you jerk.
I'm a jerk, so I stick to the tweezers all the time. The vegetable kind.
Tweezers don't come in a vegetable kind. Oh, the time. THYME. I stick to tweezers all of the THYME.
The time. The basil kind. No, it's not basil. It's not basil. It's not basil. Crazy spices that you can eat successfully without bad side effects like throwing up and leakage.
May include side effects such as throwing up and leakage.
Of the groin.
Hashtag things he says.
We said this in the last video or a few videos ago, right?
No.
No, we talked about it though. Right?
Oh, you're talking about the human malware video.
Yes.
Now we got all the stickies in there.
That does not sound pleasant.
It's pleasant if your camera stays put together so you can shoot YouTubes.
YouTube, but spelled wrong.
YouTube,
It's U-E-O-B. That is not how you spell YouTube. It's Titanium Son. Eyes of focus camera.
Oh, now bring the trash.
Mr. Leak Trash.
Alright, let's see here. I'm going to get one camera to focus on the other camera. And we're going to have cameraception.
Oh. Then
I'm using Mozagini to.
have perfect camera effects.
Yeah, let's look good. Let's about this one. Focus lock on Charlie face.
No. Can you see it through it?
There we go.
Can you see my face?
I think we successfully fixed this phone's camera lens thingy.
With his stinky thingy, aka his CPU.
Yeah, I used my thingy, my CPU, to figure out the problem. It's all fixed. All right, you want to sign out? Because I'm done.
Well, that should be about it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see another video.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. I've been Robert Jean.
I've been Charlie McDonald, aka Elemental Plays.
Bye.
Bye. Human.